Now, I will show you how the on-demand subscription works. To do this, we go to Recurring Projects, open our newly created project, and create a plan. In this case, it will be an on-demand plan. I will name it Test On Demand and create the plan. It appears, and we can take its ID to generate a payment link. We connect the wallet, select MetaMask, click Connect, and see the blockchains on which this subscription can be processed. I select Polygon because I have funds on it, and I click Authorize Spending. A MetaMask modal window appears, offering to give unlimited access to spend from my wallet. I confirm the creation of the transaction. It is sent to the blockchain and soon finalizes. The transaction is complete, and the on-demand authorization has been created. Next, in the authorization section for this usage type, a new authorization appears. Here it is, the wallet and network to which I granted authorization. Now, we can initiate a deduction from this wallet. At the moment, this cannot be done through the UI only via the API. Therefore, I will use Postman to initiate the deduction. I take the ID of this authorization, open Postman, specify the authorization ID, any client order ID, and a payment amount, for example, 11. Here, you can set the fail fast parameter so that if there are issues, the invoice is immediately marked as failed. You can also specify an expiration date, allowing the system to retry the deduction until the invoice expires. I create a fail fast invoice for 11 USDT. Moving on. We see a new invoice for 11 USDT, which is currently in progress. We see that the transaction was successful. The invoice has also changed to the success status, and $11 minus the fee has been credited to the balance. Now, I will show you what happens if the user does not have enough funds in their wallet. In this case, I have only 5 USDT left in my wallet, and I will try to create an invoice for a larger amount, for example, 20 USDT. I create a new invoice, but the system reports that the client order ID has already been used. I change it to a new one and create the invoice. The invoice is created. We return to the dashboard. In the Invoices tab, a new invoice has appeared. I expect that this invoice will soon change to the failed status due to insufficient funds in the user's wallet. As expected, the invoice has switched to the failed status. The payment could not be processed because the wallet balance was less than 20 USDT.